at home. I'm Gulleen ma'am, your mathematics teacher from DPS Lamachor. In our previous lecture, we have completed chapter number 10, part 1 to part 8. Today we are going to start revision worksheet of chapter number 10. So let's begin. So let us start with revision worksheet question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A part, the place value of 7 in 2.73 is, here we have to find out the place value. So the face value is the actual value of the digit. The face value of 7 is 7 into the place of 7 is tenths. So after decimal point, the place is tenths and this place is hundreds. So the place value is face value into the value of the place, that is 7 upon 10. So the place is tenths and the place value is 7 upon 10. B part, the decimal form of 177.9 is, here we have to write the decimal form. So it is 177.9. C part, the whole number part of 121.23 is, whole number part is before decimal point and after decimal point it is decimal part. So the whole number part is 121. Now D part, 6.8 plus 3.2 is equal to, let us add here, 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10. Answer is 10.0, that is 10. Next, the decimal part of 341.99 is, decimal part is after decimal point. So after decimal point it is 9. So right here 9. Next, the decimal representation of 42 upon 100 is, here we have to write the decimal representation. So in denominator there are 2 zeros. So after decimal point there will be 2 digits. So right here 0.42. Next, 20.15 minus 15.45. So let us subtract this. 20.15 minus 15.45. 0 cancel. 11 minus 4 7. 9 minus 5 4. Answer is 4.7. Next, the notation of 34.50 is, as I am saying, 34.50. So right here 34.50. After decimal point we break the number, so it will be 50. I bar 27.96 divided by dash is equal to 0.2796. So students, I told you earlier, whenever we divide decimal number by 10, 100 or 1000, the decimal point move to the left by 1 place, 2 place and 3 place. So now let us see here what number we will divide here. Initially decimal point was between 7 and 9 and now decimal point is between 0 and 2. So it means this decimal point is being moved to the left by 2 places. So it will be divided by 100. Now J bar, 6 plus 4 upon 10 plus 9 upon 100 plus 8 upon 1000. So it is written in expanded form. So let us write in standard form. It will be 6 point. I told you after decimal point. This is the tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So it will be 498. 6.498. Next, 1 gram is equal to how many kg? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So right here 1 upon 1000 kg and in decimals it will be 0.001 kg. Next, the decimal representation of 15 upon 1000 is, in denominator there are 3 zeros. So after decimal point there will be 3 digits. So right here 0.015. Here I added one extra 0. As after decimal point we require 3 digits. Next 2.735 into 4. So let us multiply this. 2.735 into 4. 5 fours are 20. 2 carry. 4 threes are 12. 14. 7 fours are 28. 29. 4 twos are 8. 9, 10. It is coming 10.940. Next, 60 paisa is equal to how many rupees? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. And 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. So let us convert this. 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. So here 60 paise is equal to rupees 60 upon 100. And in decimals it will be 0.60. So right here 0.60. Next, 7 kg 50 gram is equal to how many kg? 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So right here 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. So here this kg will remain same and we will convert 50 gram into kg. So 50 gram is equal to 50 upon 1000 kg. So in decimals it will be 0.050 kg. Now let us add 70.000 plus 0.050. After adding it is coming 70.050 kg. So let us write here 70.050 kg. Next, 4 centimeter is equal to how much meter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So it will be 4 upon 100. In decimal 0.04 meter. So right here 0.04 meter. So I hope students these questions are clear. Whenever we do conversions, keep in mind the decimal point. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter will be 1 upon 100 meter. That is 0.01 meter. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 upon 100. That is 0.01 rupees. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. And 1 gram is equal to 1 upon 1000 kg. That is 0.001 kg. Question number 2. Write true or false. A bar 2.37 plus 3.8 is equal to 5.45. So let us add these decimals and see whether it is true or false. So here after decimal point there are 2 digits. And here after decimal point there is only 1 digit. So first we will convert unlike decimals into like decimals by adding 0 to the right side. So let us add here 2.37 plus 3.80. Add here it will be 7, 11 and 6. So 5.45 is false. Now B part, the decimal form of the fraction 35 upon 100 is 0.35. Yes, here in denominator there are 2 zeros. So after decimal point there will be 2 digits. So here after decimal point there are 2 digits. So it is true. C part, the decimal part of 213.90 is 213. Students, I told you that before decimal point it is whole number part and after decimal point it is decimal part. So it will be false as 213 is the whole number part. Next, 16.7 into 10 is equal to 1.67. Let us see. Here they have shifted the decimal point to the left by 1 place. So if it would be divide, then this answer is correct. But here it is multiply. Whenever a decimal number is multiplied by 10, the decimal point move to the right by 1 place. And here decimal point is moved to the left by 1 place. So it is of divide. So it is false. Next, 9.82 and 2.46 are like decimals? Yes. What are like decimals? That the number of places are same. After decimal point, number of places are same. So it is true. Next, decimal form for the shaded portion of this figure is 0.4. Let us see here how many total parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the fraction should be 6 upon 10. And here it will be 0.6 in decimal. So it is false. As here number of shaded portions are 6. Question number 3. Match the following. A bar 9 upon 100. So denominator there are 2 zeros. So after decimal point there will be 2 digits. That is 0.09. So where is 0.09? It is here. So let us match this by second. Now B bar 15 upon 10. So after decimal point there should be 1 digit. So it will be 1.5. So match this by 4. Now C bar 96 upon 1000. After decimal point there will be 3 digits. As in denominator there are 3 zeros. So 0.096. So match this by first. Now D bar 9 upon 10. After decimal point there will be only 1 digit, that is 9. That is 0.9. Question number 4. Fill in the multipliers. So these questions are based on oral multiplication of decimals. A bar 36.4 into dash is equal to 364. So here whenever we multiply decimal number by 10, the decimal point moved to the right by 1 place. So initially decimal point was here. It moved to the right by 1 place. So we'll multiply by 10. B bar 217.96. So initially decimal point was between 7 and 9 and it shifted between 9 and 6. So it moved to the right by 1 place. So multiply by 10. 2.808. So here decimal point moved to the right by 3 places. So multiply by 1000. D bar 37.962. So decimal point moved to the right by 2 places. It is between 6 and 2. So multiply by 100. Now question number 5. Fill in the divisors. So these questions are based on oral division of decimals. A bar 72.6 divided by dash is equal to 7.26. So here decimal point move to the left by 1 place. So divide by 10. B bar 9.06. So here decimal point is between 9 and 0. It moved to the right by 2 places. As here 1 0 is added, so it will be divided by 100. Next, 0.34 divided by dash is equal to 0.034. So here decimal point was here earlier. It moved to the left by 1 place. So it will be divided by 10. As it is 034, 034 will be shifted to right. D bar 2.135. So decimal point came here. So it moved to the left by 1 place. So it will divide by 10. So I hope students oral multiplication and division of decimals is clear. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gulin Maths class. So chapter number 10 decimals division worksheet completed. Practice all these questions at home. I'll continue in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye-bye.